Tired of panicking every time it rains heavily? Worried about floodwaters damaging your home and everything you've worked hard for? Don't worry, because today, we're going to cover a complete guide on how to flood-proof your house, whether you're building a new one or protecting the home you already have. First up, if you're still in the construction phase, the single best thing you can do is to elevate your house properly. Make sure your floor level is at least 30 to 60 centimeters higher than the street. For areas that are known to flood, you'll want to raise it by at least a meter above the highest recorded flood level. You can check this information with your local engineer or barangay office. A little extra height now can save you from a huge headache later. But what if your house is already built? No problem. Let's talk about defense walls. You can build a low concrete barrier, about 30 to 60 centimeters high, around your property. For areas with more severe flooding, a reinforced concrete flood wall of up to 1.5 meters is a solid investment. Just remember to add weep holes with check valves so trapped water can drain out but can't flow back in. And for extra protection, paint these walls with an elastomeric waterproof coating to fight off water damage. Now, let's secure the most vulnerable spots, your doors and gates. You can install removable flood barriers made of aluminum or steel. There are ready-made ones you can buy for quick deployment. For a DIY solution, marine plywood with rubber seals, clamped tightly to the doorway, can work wonders. Also, make it a habit to seal the bottom few inches of your doors with silicone to stop that annoying seepage. Of course, all that water needs somewhere to go. That's where proper drainage comes in. Build drainage canals around your house that lead to the main city line, and install catch basins in low spots like your garage. The golden rule: keep them clean. Clogged drains are a flood's best friend. Installing backflow preventers on your pipes is also a game changer, stopping water from coming back up into your home. If your area's main drainage often overflows, consider a sump pit with a submersible pump that automatically kicks in to discharge water. Don't forget to look up. Your roof and gutters play a huge role. Ensure they are clean and large enough to handle heavy rain. Direct the water from your downspouts away from your home's foundation. While you're at it, seal any cracks you find in your exterior walls and around windows. Little gaps can let in a surprising amount of water. Finally, a few quick but crucial tips. Elevate your electrical outlets and major appliances at least half a meter off the floor. Use smart landscaping to channel water away from your house. And most importantly, stay on top of maintenance. Regularly check your drains, seals, and barriers, especially before the rainy season hits. By combining these strategies, you can create a multi-layered defense system that keeps your home safe and dry. Protecting your home from floods is all about being proactive, not reactive. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more home-saving tips. Stay safe,